Itong dating office, kasi dati may ano dito, old buildings dito sa front. Now, ganito na itsura niya. So, napansin ko guys, meron siyang coffee machine doon sa loob ng hall. And may kita nyo dito, ayan, garden. Busy sila sa papaganda nito. And facing the Lalo Municipal Park there, at meron silang mga tambayan dyan. Ayan, natabayanan natin guys ang mangyayari kasi ang ganda ng pagkakagawa. At dito pa lang sa front nito, ma-amaze kayo. So, stay tuned guys at i-update ko kayo soon pagkatapos nito. Okay. So guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. And papakita ko sa inyo ang ating municipal park. And by the way guys, dito ako pinanganak, town of Lalo. So meron dyan playground. Oh, nandyan yung mga ano ng dove. Ayan, meron silang fountain dyan. Ito pala yung station dito. It's a shout out to 95.1 FM radio. Sa Lalo Municipal Hall. Ganda, diba? So, lahat ng kailangan nyo nandiyan at your convenience. So, looking at those development guys, ang ganda. So, visit Lalo Municipal Hall. I'll see you there. We are here at Lalo Municipal Hall. Ang ganda na guys. Look at this. Ito ang entrance. Bayan ng Lalo. Oh, nakaka-proud. Beautiful. Look at the development here. This is the reception. Look at those beautiful ones. Oh, ha? Di ba? Ganda. Oh, may CR. CR this way. Mag-CR kayo? Municipal Assessor. Oh, Viking. May elevator sila. Look at that. Oy, it's first floor. Ayan, first floor, Treasury, Assessor, Civil Register, Menro Office. Look at this. Ay, nice. Ganda. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. Wow. At ito maganda, may CR, di ba? Let's go. Key. That's ay, nakalak naman. O, ikot tayo. May CR pero nakalak. Not ready for use. See that? This is the Municipal Treasurer's Office. Yan. Ang ganda na guys. So guys, Engineering Office, Bids Awards, General Services, akyat dito. Okay? Guys, nakaka-proud. Look at this. A beautiful toilet. Tara na! So ito, he and she. Oh, look. Urinal and the toilet. Tissue. May bidet. Pero walang tissue. Okay na to. Palaruan ba kanyo? No worries guys. Kasi meron sila playroom. Siyempre may segregation. Nabubulok at di nabubulok. Ito siguro yung mga plastic. Ewan ko lang. Bye. Social Welfare Development. This is a section here. Hello. CCTV room. Alright. Siyempre, sanitize muna. Ayan. Maglagin ka para may record. Diba? Oh guys, look. Saan ka nakakita? Municipal Hall. It's a free coffee, baby. Yeah. Libre coffee, baby. Hintayon makikape. Kita yun! Let's go!
Bayaran nyo yung itim lang?
So, finally guys, galing kaming mag-process ng mga taxes. Oh my God, daming kabayaran. Pero tingnan nyo, ipapakita ko lang guys, ang ganda ng Lalo Municipal Hall. Yan, di ba? Ang ganda-ganda guys. So, nakaka-proud being a Laloqueño. Then, they are currently doing some development here. So, mangyayari, magiging magandang park sa harap nitong Municipal Hall. So, napaka-convenient guys. Services, check, people,
Wow.
employees, very accommodating. At ang sarap lang tumambay doon kasi hindi ka maboboring. Air condition, right? So guys, kung nagustuhan mo itong vlog na to at gusto mong ma-update sa mga vlog natin, ayan, please do subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button para ma-update ka at i-enjoy lang yung mga bawat lugar na sinishare ko sa inyo. So guys, this is your Baru. I'll see you again on my next vlog. Bye guys.